Alright, so today I'm taking you guys through how I made the beat for Psychic. And this right here. Some more brass. Now that I really just did to give it a bit more of a punch. Like, it wasn't punchy enough. It was too smooth. So I did that just for those initial hits, man, you know, the attack really. You know, same thing. All together, this is what those sounds sound like. So that was it for the melody. At that point, I was very happy with what I had, and then it was time to move on to the drums. We got the perks. We got the open hat. Then we got this very, very famous cowbell that I really love using. It's one of my favorite things to use at the moment. It just fits everywhere, man. It's crazy. Then, of course, we got the 808. And that was pretty much it at that point, man. And this is what I had. So what I did was I asked my boy Tellerman to replay some of the horns for me. Shout out to Tellerman. Yeah, he replayed some stuff for me, added a couple notes in there, made it, you know what I mean, a bit more interesting. And this is what he sent me. Yeah, he definitely has better plugins than me. So because by the time he sent that to me, I was already in the process of like recording vocals, I decided to just throw it in here on Logic instead of going to FL Studio. So this is what it sounds like after adding the parts that he did for me. You can barely hear it. If I turn this down. It doesn't really stand out in like the main parts of the song, but in the last verse I decided to turn everything up a little bit. If you look at like the difference between this and this, between these four and these four, because I decided to cut the beat around this area. So this is what it sounds like. Damn. Jungle boy, stick. Fuck with me on mine, I let it hit. I'm a side kick, cause I always knew that you a bitch. All my niggas. And that's pretty much it, man. That's how I made Psychic. Hope you listened to it. Hope you checked it out. Hope you fucking with it. I can't wait to perform it again, man. I recently performed it for the first time, very first time, in Zim. Yeah, that's Psychic. Go out there, check it out. Psychic, out now, everywhere.